Hi, and welcome to my presentation. My name is Muhammad Riandy Putranto, and in this occasion, I'm going to show you every single feature that from the app English listening step by step has to offer. So here we go. Alright, so from the first screen, we can share to other users from the following app. Other than listening test, we can also check English vocabulary. But since we are going to focus on the listening, we're simply going to jump to the listening test section. Okay, look, so at the bottom of the screen you see apps. If you feel that app is inconvenient to you, you can remove it using remove ads feature. But to do so, you have to have 18,000 Indonesian rupiah from your virtual money. So as you can see, we can choose one of the topics. We'll pick beginner. So again, we are given topics to choose from. Now you see the hard sense on the right. Yeah, so the heart symbol is called favorites. Favorites allows you to go to that specific test without having to go to this section. Now to do that, we go to favorite lessons. So there you go. You simply pick that. Now, this is the first screen. We can send reports, and we can still remove this test from the favorites. So other than the questions, we still have transcript, vocabulary, and subtitle. At the bottom of the screen, other than the apps, we also see the playback button. We can download the audio file for in case we're going to do the test in a place where there is no internet connection. And there's this playback speed option. You can use this to adjust the audio speed for your own convenience. Now, since I only intend to go to the next sections, I simply going to choose the answers randomly. Now we go to check answers. Yes, so as you can see, we are given once you're done picking the answers, the app will show you your overall scores, and then you'll be given the correct answers for the respective questions. So in case you want to do better next time, this is a useful feature for you. Now since I use this app using internet connection, I'm going to see if I can use this application or not. So here we go. Yes, as you can see, you can open the app, but you can hardly use some of the features from this app. That's it from me. Thank you for watching.